Hello everyone and welcome on this new deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So I actually have given the gold a lot of thoughts and I will share with you my conclusion about it. But first of all, it's important to remind you that the gold is rising like there is no tomorrow. And the gold has indeed reached historical levels at 2,686. Now again, my friends, we are literally swimming in the uncharted water and no one in the world knows what's going to happen next with the gold. We are just doing the best we can to analyze the market and we are just hoping for the best. So again, no one in the world knows about what's going to happen next. So please be careful trading the gold and remember that it's really so hard to be predicted right now. So do not expect a lot of profits analyzing the gold or actually trading the gold, sorry. However, you have to always be careful and consider that in this signal, of course, we are doing just the best we can to find you the best entries possible with the gold. But however, this week I will play it somehow safe and I will show you why. First of all, let's just analyze the gold and see what's going to happen next. So from the first perspective, what we are having here is something interesting because we have here, of course, a triangle that indeed has been broken out from. And right here, of course, we have a resistance trend line that actually after the bullish breakout happened, the market has respected the previous level of a resistance trend line and created a new supported trend line. That's for a starter. It shows that the gold is indeed rising and having a bullish momentum so far. However, if we change right now the resistance trend line from this level of a resistance right here, a resistance trend line, and here, let me just show you what's going to happen. Look at that. So right now, if we look at this channel, now we can see that the market indeed created here a resistance trend line for 2, 3, 4, and even 5 times as a resistance trend line. And right after the bullish breakout happened, again, the same level of a previous resistance trend line has been respected as a new support trend line, not for once, but for twice. So, does it mean that the gold is rising? It actually is a sign that the gold will continue the rise. But again, we have to be really careful and wise about how we are trading the gold. So far, it's actually bouncing right on a supported trend line. And those 3 wicks right here, sorry, those 3 tails, tells us that the gold has actually a potential to continue the rise because we have here, of course, a rejection to break out from this level of a previous support at 2,631. So the problem now, right now is the gold going to make a bullish breakout from the highest level of a resistance at 2,685 or is going to continue the fall below that level of a previous support at 2,624 and has the potential to retest the broken level of a resistance at 2,600? The answer is stay away from that at all. I mean, do not enter the game between the bulls and the bears. Do not expect from the gold right now to make a bullish breakout or a bearish one. Just stay in this neutral channel. Trade it until the gold make a clear level of a bullish breakout or a bearish one. So this week we are going to just trade the gold inside of this neutral channel until the gold decides if it's going to make a bullish breakout or a bearish one. Then we can decide what we can trade next. So let's play it safe as much as possible for this week. Saying that, I will move right now to the 1 hour time frame. So again, based on the 1 hour time frame, we're having here, of course, this support level. And right there, of course, we have, let me just delete this line right here and show you that we have right here, of course, the horizontal level of a resistance. So the gold again is rising or actually ranging inside of this neutral channel. What can we do next with the gold? Now, let me just tell you that what we are having right here is a clear level of a support trend line like that exactly. Look at that. It has been respected based on the 1 hour time frame once, twice, thrice. And then after a fake breakout happened right here, again has been respected for 1, 2, 3 times. So therefore, that tells us that the gold is indeed respecting that channel. So based on the 1 hour time frame, we have here a channel with one fake breakout, but the market did not continue the fall, did not create any resistance trend line right after it. It just broke out from it and created here not only 1 but 3 attempts of a support trend line. All of that indicates that the gold will continue to rise inside of this channel. So that's actually a good sign that we can actually buy the gold at a certain point, but the question is where. In this scenario, we will have to seek the help of Fibonacci retracement, and that can be done by drawing it from the higher high to the lower high, just like that. Fantastic. Now, combining again that with the support trend line, right here exactly, now we have actually a clear level or a clear entry that we can actually expect from the gold to continue the fall till it reach Fibonacci 23.6, which is going to be the lowest level on the Fibonacci scale. Also combining that with the previous level of a support trend line right here, which indeed shown as strong levels. We can expect to buy the gold exactly right here. And if we check the past also, we can see that this was in the past a previous level of a key resistance, which also might be retested. And after that, the gold will continue the rise again. We are actually trading the gold inside of this neutral channel. So that being said, our take profit level should not actually be ranging higher than the previous level of a real resistance right here exactly at 2,677, expecting to make around 390 pips hopefully of profit. However, this safe zone in this case should not be ranging lower than the bottom of the support right here exactly at 2,623. So again, we are just playing it safe as much as possible for this week. However, we have to consider, my friends, also that the gold might actually make a strong bullish movement right here or a bearish one. If that happens, of course, we will change this signal. Now, how we can receive the new signal? Of course, by joining us on Telegram. I will send you right here an update about any changes with this signal. So you have to make sure to join us here on Telegram. You can just simply look up the channel. You will find it here, Extreme Trader Signals, or you can just simply check the description below of this video to find the link to join us directly right here. I will send any updates. If I notice that the price action going against us, I will update you right there on the channel to close the trade right now in a small loss or even maybe in a small profit. So 2638 is going to be our buy level. However, the take profit level will be right there at 2677, and that's going to be everything for the gold. And this time, I really hope this analysis will go well and as planned. And again, don't forget, my friends, to join us on Telegram and stay connected to Extreme Trader Team. Do not trade by yourself. Always stay connected to us, and hopefully we will achieve the best results together. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.